Moley here. I'm still feeling sick. Ugh. So I am at home a lot more, and since I'm home a lot more, I have decided, little old me. Oh. So like in the first studio vlogs, we made a sticker. If you remember that, the Hanbok sticker of us sitting down, I said best of both worlds. I want to work on that sticker and I want to print it and make it into a physical real life thing. 100%, we're going to do that today, or in this vlog. I also want to make some more stickers, essentially a sticker sheet. So we're going to make that as well. Well, I'm going to make that, you're going to watch. Summer's pretty much ended. So that's why I've been kind of so sick, because it's gone from really hot to really cold. Since we went on holiday, I took it upon myself to draw some stickers, well, some ideas for stickers over there as well. And I want to do a sticker sheet design. So it's sketched out already, but we're gonna outline it and do a little bit of coloring. So let's get to that. Good morning everybody. It is a very dull day and I'm so sickly, but I'm gonna be trying to get through this video and to film me drawing my first sticker sheet, which I'm actually really excited to get out and to actually start the process and understanding of how to make sticker sheets. If you didn't know, my name is Moley and I am obsessed with hanboks. This is a Korean traditional dress, normally made of a chogoru, which is a jacket top, and a chima, which is a skirt. They're absolutely stunning, and as soon as I saw one, I just was like obsessed, because I just thought, what a beautiful traditional clothing. So I am doing kind of like a collection, just multicultural people wearing hanboks. I myself have been to Korea and worn hanboks, and the reception you get from Koreans, they absolutely love you wearing their traditional clothing. Honestly, I felt so much joy wearing it and it just felt so beautiful. So I kind of wanted to portray that in these stickers, so you can kind of see yourself in these stickers and be like, yeah, that looks so cute, that looks like me. So each of these girls are assigned a color, and I know her head is big right now, trust me, I know, but I will size it down because I'm gonna take a picture of all these, scan them in, and I'm going to digitally on Procreate outline them and make them look a ton better, but this is just kind of a base because I love sketching by hand first. That's me, hi. And now into the fun part. We are finally on Procreate and I am outlining each of these. I actually gave each character a little name, but this character is called Hanbok because she's wearing a bun. Kind of looks like me, quite similar. Next we have Dreadbok. I called her that because she has dreadlocks, and honestly this one's definitely my favorite character. I am actually thinking of probably making her own sticker or like her own drawing, because honestly she deserves one. I think it came out really beautiful and that's why I spent so much time on it. My niece actually said that Dreadbok looks very much like her, and it may have been possible that I did model her after her, kind of like a grown-up version of my niece, but I think she's really cute. I wanted her to kind of have, I've never really seen pictures of people in dreadlocks and wearing hanboks, so definitely wanted to emulate that in this drawing. And I gave her some little flowers, particularly lavenders, because that's my favorite flower, and I did associate the color purple with her, which is one of my favorite colors. So our next character is named Sunny, and that's because she is wearing a chonmo, which is the name of the hat that is on her head. Apparently is traditionally made of bamboo, and apparently is normally worn by low status women like doctors and performers. I did also put a jukdengi in Sunny's hair, which means she is a married woman. Didn't quite check that one before I put it in there, but we can roll with that. Maybe in the future we will get to meet Sunny's groom. This next character is called Bongbong because that is one of my favorite Korean drinks, and she is wearing dengi in her hair right at the back, which is at the end of her braid. These are traditionally red and have pointed ends and normally worn by commoners. I think they're pretty cute. And our last character is called Hee-young. She's adorable and cute, which is why I associate her with the color pink, because she reminded me of just like a cute, shy little person. I originally had her holding an apple, because apple and apology means the same in Korean. So I imagined her being quite clumsy. Hi everyone, it's like 2 AM. As you can see, I'm in my sleeping bonnet and I'm like literally ready for bed, but I really want to finish this video. Hopefully I can finish the outline, because for Sunny and Hwayoung, did I call her? Sunny and Hwayoung, I didn't like the full body. Like I didn't mind it, but I just think it didn't fit the vibe of the stickers. So I have cut them down to like face and shoulders. So we're gonna do that outline and give everyone a pop of color. So let's do that. Hi everyone, I swear I've been working on this video for at least 2-3 weeks, which is kind of quite long for me to work on a video, but this is quite important to me because this is kind of the starting foundation of like what I want to make. And for me, I'm going to be releasing these stickers under my Etsy shop, which is going to be called Benny. I will put a link in the bio so you can follow the link. I'm going to be making multicultural stickers, different cultures being fused together. It's all going to be just a love and harmonious relationship between cultures, and for me that's super important because that's what I grew up with. My mom is Jamaican, my dad is British, so for me that fusion of cultures has always been there, through food, through clothing, through language. That's always been there for me. So when I was thinking about what I wanted my business to stand for and kind of what I wanted to center it around, I decided that I was gonna center it around mixed cultures, because as well as being mixed race for me, a lot of the past, I don't know, like 3 years, I've been integrating a lot of Korean culture into my life, mainly due to the fact that I've been learning the language. You know, as you learn the language, you learn a lot about the culture. I wanted my business be something quite important to me, and I think that culture is so important, and knowing your history is so important. As someone that is half Jamaican but raised in England, and I look predominantly white, I always feel very disconnected from my Jamaican culture, and that sometimes makes me really upset, but I have to realize that I need to own it, and I need to find ways to connect to my Jamaican background. And by doing that, I go to Jamaica, I see relatives, I try and cook Jamaican food, I try and research stuff about the history that I have not been taught. So a lot of the times I am looking at the folk stories of Jamaican culture. So to begin, you're going to see a lot of me exploring Korean culture, British culture, Jamaican culture, and seeing the fusion between these. I hope that this is an introduction to you guys about what my art is slowly going to start to become. I am working on a piece right now. It's hush hush, but probably the next video. And I can't wait to introduce the beginning of what I want my art to become. So excited, and I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully this is the start of a beautiful relationship between cultures, and I really want my business to just make people feel confident in being mixed race and finding joy in researching and maybe not knowing about their culture but wanting to know. And I want people to be more confident in that and to realize their potential in finding joy in being mixed. Hi guys, so today we are going to be opening some packages because I bought a couple things to cut the stickers with. First on the agenda, a corner rounder punch. Here it is. It's in Chinese. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I want to make like my sticker sheets have round corners, or like say I have like a card or anything and I want to just snip it to make it round. So I bought this to do that. Now it has 3 like measurements. We have the 7 right here, 4mm, and I think this is 10. Okay, here's a sheet of paper, and we're gonna try the 7mm. So we just put that in there and snip. Oh, and it flew out at me. Oh my god, there it is. Look how round it is. Oh my god. So we have before and after. Nice. Okay, that was the 7cm. We're gonna do the 4. And we're gonna do the 10. I think I like 7 because it's like in between, but the 10's really smooth as well. Like look how the quality just kind of changes with the rounded corners. Beautiful. I have an art piece here of a painting that I drew. So if you didn't know, I'm setting up for an Etsy shop. I'm going to be making my art prints, like my art into art prints, so you can physically buy them in A4 and maybe A3. Still thinking about that. A4 in like these kind of sizes, like the really small kind of. I think this is A5. And then I will also be doing stickers, of course, and obviously for my sticker sheets in particular, we are going to be using this one. So here's the before. And here's the after. I mean, it's such a little difference, but I think it does change it quite a lot. Like, I don't think it's like a little different. I think you can tell for sure. Oh my god. You're gonna be my baby. I was thinking of spray painting this little piece purple just so I have my my purple, because my purple's down there, but you can see all my stuff purple, and purple. So I like purple. We have one more package. I actually have another package coming, but it's not here today. Slice and dicer. So this is for A4. So to be fair, I'm looking at this now and I saw like somebody with a chopper, and oh my god, that would have been better, but I've bought this now. I mean, if I have no use for it, like if I grow out of it, I can always just give it to someone. Well, for now, I have this. I mean, I probably... Oh, it lifts. It lifts up. I'm not going to be doing anything, printing anything bigger than an A4, to be fair. All my sticker sheets will be A5. Definitely, for the time being though, I'm going to be doing A4, A5 pieces. So cute. Like, I've seen this on the TikTok, and I'm like, it's so fucking cute. Sorry. I'm obsessed with this. Okay. I'm probably going to film a TikTok. Whoa, how I become that person now? I haven't had a TikTok because I don't want to become that person, but like if I'm gonna be doing a business, I kind of need to have a TikTok. I'm gonna make a TikTok of me unboxing. I've cut this and I should have done it on my TikTok. No! Right, well I have some other pieces I can cut. I say that and I have no other pieces to cut. Like if I gave you this, if you were to buy like for example this print, I am definitely gonna put this print on my store. It is my dancing Hanbok girl. This is just my first attempt and I'm just keeping this for my own like pleasure. I printed this like ages, and yeah, like I can use these A4 cards, but I think I might color them or something because white's kind of boring. Definitely gonna make a TikTok about all the resources that I'm collecting for the beginning of my sticker store. I think next on the agenda is we are gonna print. We're gonna be printing the sticker from Studio Vlogs 1 because I want to try like a solo sticker first before I do sticker sheets. Let's go and cut and print and print some stickers. Bye everyone. Also say hi to my wall that I made in Studio Vlogs 2. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, it's so adorable. Bye. Stop.
Green 1 minute later.
you.